Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's tutorial is butterfly lock crochet. Okay, as you can see, I already prepped my hair. So this is like my cornrow. Okay, my cornrow games is on flick. Let me turn and you can see the back. All right. So I already prep it. Alright, so my hair was already washed and dried, everything. I used the oil and everything. So everything is ready for my crochet. Alright, so I just want to say thank you to Vomella for sending me this beautiful hair. Alright, and I can't wait to style it. Look at guys. Alright, so it's my first time, okay? Oh my god, this is so light. Alright, it's very light, it's not heavy. Yes. And it's not smelly. Okay? This is good. It's not smelly, nothing. And it was packed very well. Alright? It was packed very well. Yeah, you guys doing amazing. I like that. Alright, so and it comes with some accessories, okay, and then the needle, crochet needle. Okay, so pretty much I have to try to get all the 7 parts to cover this whole cornrows. Let's see. So you guys, I mean, you're not gonna see everything. Otherwise, the video is gonna be so long, and we don't want that. So, alright, we want it to be as short as possible. Alright. Let's see. Just wrap this. Alright. So far everything is good. Alright. Let's see. Finally. Okay. So let me see. Each pack has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So pretty much we should have at least 84 strings. 12, 7, yep. 84 strings. So that should be enough. Alright? That should be enough. Let's see. Right? We're gonna start to the front, right? So this is the needle right here. Right, you see the latch, okay? Alright, we're gonna start right here. Alright, so my cornrows are very, very tight because I like them to be tight. Alright, so you're just gonna close the latch and slide it here. Alright, make sure that it doesn't stuck in the other hair. Alright, right here, and I'm sure if you can see it, see the latch right here, and slide. Alright, alright, so we're just gonna go and insert it inside of the little loophole, and you go right here, and that's it. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, easy. All right, let's go for more. My husband is watching me. Like he wants to do this too. You wanna help me, honey? Would you like to help me? Thank you. No, he's still not here. Like he was going to help. Alright. Make right. That's two. See, there's a little bit of. We're just gonna put everything, and if there's any gap, and we still have more hair left, we're gonna use that. Okay. All right. So we're just gonna keep going, and then you see. And if there's just like I said, if there's any gap, we're just gonna fill them up, okay? But right now, let's just put hair in. All right. Alright, so the front is done. So now we're about to start with the back. Alright, so I only have 3 packs left. And that's like 4. You know, I have a big head. So I'm gonna have to put something here to close this gap right here. Alright. So yeah, just wanna show you guys how far I am right now. Who's this? Hey, who is this? Nobody talk to me, okay? Alright. So we're gonna start the back. Hopefully the 3 packs. Hopefully. Alright, so it's all covered. I tried to manage the 7 packs. Okay. See the back, right? I tried to manage it. And yeah, just like I said, my head's too big. Or maybe the cornrows were too small. I don't know, but yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so we're gonna put some of these accessories on it. So cute.
Wow.
Ay, Lord. Alright. This is me. My husband. Why are you looking at me like that? Is there something I can help you with?
No.
Husband, you see your wife looking different. Do you like it?
She's still beautiful.
Oh. Isn't she lovely? Alright, guys. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I like it. I like my hair. What's this? Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you all later. Bye.